When calling our support number, an agent from our office may request that you download an application known as TeamViewer in order to see your screen and help troubleshoot the issue that you're running into. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief demonstration on how you can download TeamViewer for both Mac and Windows computers. In order to download TeamViewer, you will need to head to our website taxtron.ca and click on the Support tab. Once you click on the Support tab, you will see a button known as TeamViewer. Click on TeamViewer and you will then be presented with 3 download links. Depending on which operating system you're running, you will need to click on the download link that corresponds to your system. When it comes to downloading TeamViewers on a Windows machine, it is fairly straightforward. Click on the download link and then run the download file. You will then be presented with the terms and agreements for TeamViewer. Once you've read the terms and agreements, click on Continue and you will then be provided with an ID and password. You can then give your ID and password to the agent you're speaking to and you will now be connected on TeamViewer. In terms of downloading TeamViewer on Mac, you will need to click on the download link that corresponds to the OS version you're running. If you're using a Mac, you can find out your OS version by clicking the Apple logo in the top left of your screen and then clicking on About This Mac. Once the download is complete, double-click on the .dmg file and run the program. If this is your first time using TeamViewer, you will then be required to review your system access. You will need to request access to both screen recording as well as accessibility, or else our agent will not be able to see your screen. When you click on Request Access, you will then be prompted to open up your security and privacy settings. Once your security and privacy is opened, you'll see a list of settings on the left-hand side. Ensure that accessibility is selected and that the TeamViewer Quick Support icon has a little check mark beside it. If the box is not checked and the icons are grayed out, you will need to click on the lock at the bottom left of your screen and unlock it. Once the TeamViewer icon has the little check beside it, you will then have to repeat the exact same steps for screen recording. You'll have to click on Request Access, open up your security and privacy settings, navigate to screen recording, and ensure that the TeamViewer icon is checked. You will now notice that under Review System Access, both screen recording and accessibility are allowed. You can now close the Review System Access screen and you will then be provided a user ID and password that you can use to connect with the agent you are speaking to. This was just a brief demonstration on how you can download TeamViewer for both Windows and Mac.